Hey everybody, I'm going to do a little video here to have a little bit of fun with lock picking. Not something I recommend trying if you have other people that live in your household, especially ones that you want to stay married to, because if it doesn't go well, it's going to make me be a little inconvenience and a mess. Other people might be a huge pain in the ass. So, got here's a lock from on eBay. It is an Ace padlock here, which is like a American lock, rebranded or clone or whatever. Keep this all on camera here. I try to do all these videos without any cuts in them. Alright, so there's our lock here. These keys off. Now the seller didn't know which keyway this was, but I think it's an American lock keyway, but I'm not 100% on that. So it actually comes with 3 keys too, which is cool. Alright, so we got it open. And what I'm going to do, got all 3 keys here. And I'll go in the fridge. All 3 of them are in there. And we're going to do chain door shut. Alright, so the fridge is locked, it's not going to open. And we're just going to get this guy open. And then we got it here, so try to make sure. Use the camera a little bit here. I tried this before with another lock. I had a GoPro on my head and the whole thing was out of frame the entire time, so try to avoid that mistake here. Okay, so let's see. So when these locks are actually on something, they're can be a little harder to pick. You can't get it quite as comfortable as you like, unless you can't see it out of frame. There, my arm, I'm like pressed against the fridge here to get in here to it. A good example of that kind of stuff here is when people pick the round storage locks, and they're real easy and they're terrible locks, and on and on and on. But if you lock one of those things on a storage locker facing the wall, you can barely get a key in it, let alone lock picks. So even if it is the easiest lock in the world to pick, can't get picks in there, who cares? Yeah, this is my first Ace rekeyable padlock that I've messed with here. And I don't know what kind of pins are in this, if it's like American pins or just all standards or what. video's getting long here. Okay. Switch to a skinnier tension bar to the 40,000 from the 50. Or the other way around, I mean 50 to the 40. Here we go. So, got it open. Okay. And let's see if we can grab at least one of the keys out of here. And you see all three keys in there. Drop two of them. Okay. Now see if I can go gut this thing without dropping my camera here. Alright, so head over to the lock closet here. We'll go get some nuts around that stripper pole and do what everybody's more familiar with seeing. And I gotta change plate here to get it on my tripod. I try to do these things without getting cuts in them. Alright, so the keys here. Keys are a little chilly still. Alright, so Phillips screwdriver, like most Americans here. Appears to be too big. Oh no, the screw's already loose. No wonder the thing was flopping around so much that the screw was barely even in there. Okay, there's our core. And since I do have keys, you can lock it here. Again, it's definitely an American lock. Okay. My arm was tired from holding that thing up. Okay. Let's see what we got for key pins here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This one's actually only drilled 5, but they didn't drill it 6. So none of these are serrated. And I'll measure the key here and figure out what the bitting on this is, but it looks like these look like 1s, 2, 3, and maybe like a 4. But I'll measure that and put it in the video. And so it looks like this might be all standard drivers here. I certainly didn't feel any that would make me think there's anything but standards in it. So that ball is just to give you a little clicking sensation here. One of the drivers didn't come out. There it is. And that ball just goes over the over this right here. So the key just kind of clicks in, or clicks when it turns. And these are all kind of like almost like master lock springs, where they're a little stiffer than normal. And there's the fifth one. Alright, so everything's just standard on this. Anyway, I hope that's kind of enjoyable. It's kind of another little challenge to lock picking when it's actually attached to you. Something does make it a little bit harder. That'll do it for this video. We'll talk to everybody later.